Dyson's new robot vacuum is everywhere right now. It's called the Spot and Scrub AI, and Dyson claims it can literally see invisible stains and scrub them until they're gone. An AI-powered cleaning robot that understands your floors better than you do? Yeah, sounds like classic marketing magic. So I spent 2 weeks digging into how this thing actually works, and what I found wasn't what I expected. On paper, this robot doesn't just clean, it investigates. Green LED lights reveal dust you can't see. An AI camera identifies close to 200 different objects and substances, and when it detects something like dried coffee, it doesn't just pass over it. It scrubs the area up to 15 times, then checks again to confirm the stain is gone. The roller cleans itself using 60-degree heated water. It reaches into corners, and the bagless dock can hold dust for up to 100 days. On a feature level, it's stacked. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm breaking it down so you don't get misled by marketing or spend money blindly. Now here's where things get interesting. This robot isn't actually designed by Dyson from the ground up. It's manufactured by Picea Robotics, the same company behind robot vacuums for Xiaomi, iRobot, and Yeezy. That's not illegal or shady, but it does change the story. Reviewers are also pointing out issues Dyson doesn't advertise. The app is clunky with inaccurate mapping. The robot is 11 centimeters tall, much taller than competitors, so it struggles under furniture. And suction was reduced from 22,000 to 18,000 pascals to make room for the mopping system. That trade-off is real, and it shows. So what's the verdict? The Dyson Spot and Scrub AI is legitimately good. The stain detection works, the hot water roller is clever. The bagless system saves money long-term, but you're paying a Dyson price for hardware that isn't uniquely Dyson, wrapped in a bulkier design with an underwhelming app. If brand trust matters to you, you'll probably be happy. If value matters more, the competition delivers more for less. If this breakdown helped you decide whether dropping $1,000 on a robot vacuum actually makes sense, that's the goal. I investigate products behind the marketing so you don't get bought the hype. Keep questioning everything, and I'll see you in the next investigation where we figure out what's worth your money and what's just expensive garbage with good branding.